Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sechamba Jacob. In today's video, we'll be looking at question 8. This is question 8A on how to find standard deviation. And before we do our work, I would like to say thank you to Whittington Sikalumbi. This is a request from Sikalumbi Whittington on how to calculate the standard deviation. There are things we must put into consideration. One of the things is the formulas. We need to understand the formulas. And when you open the question paper, there are formulas we use. So when you want to find mean, we use this formula. For finding standard deviation, we use this or this. There are two formulas we use. So in my video on this tutorial, I'm going to use method 2, because method 2 is the fastest way, is the easiest and fastest way on how somebody can find standard deviation. All right, so first thing you need to do is to find mean. Okay, how do we find mean? You get your question. Okay, we've been given this question, so we get our question and the table. We check what is inside the table. We find the midpoints. So here, the midpoint. What is the midpoint? It's first. Okay, before we even find the midpoint, we write the frequency. Okay. The frequency is 5. Open plus 16. You are leaving some spaces. I'll tell you what you're supposed to put in the spaces. Hopefully we are following what's going on. Here we'll put 17 again. 17. Open plus 14 plus 12 plus, is it plus 7 plus 2. So hopefully you're able to see what I'm doing here. I'm getting the frequencies. Let me do this. I'm getting the frequencies. I want to find mean. So I get 5, put it here, open bracket, close, I leave some space, plus 16, the same thing, plus this 17 over here, 17 here, I leave space, 14 here, I leave space, 12, I leave space, 7, I leave space, and 2. I want to calculate mean. So this is a procedure. So once I do this, I'll start looking for numbers. Numbers I should be put inside the brackets. So here, the first number will be 100 divided by 2. So it's a middle point. The number that is in between 0 and 100 here is what? It's 50. The number that is in between 100 and 200 is 150. So how did I find 150? You get the number which is at the beginning here. For example, here there is 100 and 200. So you say 100 plus 200 divided by 2. It's 150. The next number there is 250. At 17, the midpoint there is 250. How did I do it? I got 200, this 200, plus the 300. 200. Hopefully you're able to see. Okay, 200 plus 300 divided by 2. And it's giving me, suppose 200 plus 300 divided by, or first equals, divided by 2. The answer will be 250. So I've put 250 here. The next thing will be, here it will be 350, here 450, here it's 550, here it's 650, and 750. You divide by the total number of these. In the question they are said there are 90 farmers. So you divide by 90 farmers. So all these numbers in the brackets, you are just adding the first number here and the last number here. Divide by 2. So what are we going to get? So we'll say 5. Let me do this. Let me put it here. Hopefully you'll be able to see 5, open bracket, 50, close, plus 16, open, 150, close, plus. So everything, we just do the same thing to everything. So here it will be 17, open, 250, close, plus here it's again 17. So make sure you don't miss any number as you are doing this. And then remember to put the brackets. 14, what else? Open, 450, close, plus 12, open, 550, close, plus 7, 650, close, plus 2, open, is it 750? Yeah, 750, close. So once you do this, you punch the answer. The answer is 31,800. So you write your answer here, 31,800. Divide by 90. So when you write, you get your answer. Okay, I've gotten my answer. This is the answer I've found. Say divide. Okay, this answer divide by 90. So we divide by 90 and we get 300, 5, 3. So 353.33333. How many threes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our mean, x bar. This is our mean. So we found our mean. We'll keep this mean. It's very important. So once we find our mean, we now get the formula for finding standard deviation. So the formula for finding standard deviation is this one, the one we're using. So what it means? It means you get the frequency, these frequencies, the way we are getting here, f for frequency, open bracket, put the middle point. This x is the middle point. So once you put the middle point, square, okay, square the midpoint, okay, this squared, and then you come and subtract the what? The mean. This mean you found, you subtract it. Now don't just subtract direct, square that mean, you square and subtract. So this is how it will look like. It will just be the same thing we're doing. 5, open, plus, this time around we're putting power 2. 16, open, power 2. What else? Let me fold so that we create some space. Plus 17, this 17, open, close, plus the other 17 squared, plus 14, this 14 squared, plus 12 squared there, plus 7 squared there, plus 2 squared. So the midpoints we know, here it's 50, here it's 150, here it's is it 250, here it's 350, 450, 550, 650, 750. Divide by the total number, which is what? 90. So once you do this, you can punch on your calculator. It's very easy, like we were doing earlier on. We'll start saying 5, open, 50 squared, plus 16, open, 150 squared. This time around we're putting power 2. plus 17, open, is it 250 squared. Don't miss anything, so make sure you're putting the squared. If you don't know where to punch for squared, it's x squared here. That's where you're supposed to punch for power 2. So 17, after 17 again it's 17, 350 squared, 50 squared, plus 14, 450 squared, plus 12, 550 squared, plus 7, 650 squared, plus 2, 550 squared. So we have put all these numbers. We can check to confirm if what we have put is okay. Yeah, it's okay there. It's okay there. Okay, what did we put here? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. 17 there. It's okay. It's okay. 16 there. 5. It's okay. You punch. It's giving you a very big number. This number is we write it like this. Let me put it here nicely. So it will give us something like this. 14065,000 over 90. So divide that number by 90, or divide this number by 90. So of something like 156,277.7778. So this number, okay, the number I've just found here, what we'll do is we'll get it, okay, together with this mean. We subtract the mean squared, this mean squared. So we square the mean and subtract according to the formula here, what it said. You see, this is a mean squared minus mean squared. So what we've just found is this in front here. So we subtract this. So put the root, the square root, put it like this for finding standard deviation. So put this number 277.7778 minus the mean. What's the mean? This is our mean over here, 53.3333 squared. So they're supposed to be 3. Is it 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. They're supposed to be 7 threes here, repeated. So this is what we'll do. So we'll do this squared. Don't forget to put power 2 here. Okay, it's power 2. So we'll put the square root, open bracket. So we'll say 1, 5. I'm just copying what is here. 6277.7778. Is it 8? Minus, open bracket, is it 3, 5? 3.1234567. So 3s are supposed to be 7. Open, close, open. So when we do this, our answer will be equal to 177.2944821. So we can put this in 3 significant figures. So in 3 significant figures, it will be 1, 3. It will look like this. This is our standard deviation. If you want, you can end here or here. It's okay. So if you don't know how to put 3 significant figures, it's okay. You just finish it. You write it the way it is, or like this. It's just the same. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and be able to watch more videos.